Today I'm going to show you how to clean the filter of one of those air conditioning units, those mobile ones, which you attach to a window. The best and easiest and quickest way, because you can take this filter out here, this upper part of the filter, but what I discovered recently, this filter here, screwed on. I tried to take it out, but man, look how scary it's going. Oh, that's life. These two dogs. Well, anyways, I'm going to show you how to do that. A really easy and simple way, just using my vacuum cleaner and just a brush. Quite easy and simple job, which takes about a minute. So, time to start. First, of course, you should turn it off. Then take off the pipe. Don't have to do that, but I need a little space here with my camera mount. Also, I'm going to let off the water because I didn't done that in probably a week or so. Rather 2 weeks. I'm only going to use my vacuum cleaner, the industrial vacuum cleaner, in my case, aka shop vacuum. You don't really have to use one of those, but hey, that's what I've got here, and hey, that's what I use. Yes, also for the house and for all the rugs, because if you have two long-haired collies and a lot of rugs, you know what I'm talking about, because this with a normal vacuum is just madness. Anyways, I'm going to use one of those brushes, like paint brushes. Of course, it's a clean one, and it should be a rather rougher brush, nothing like too soft, because you need it to get out all the hair and other stuff. So actually it's pretty easy, and it's really easy, really simple, and extremely quick. And since I only have that type of air conditioners for a year, I was myself looking like, hey, what's the best way, what's the easiest and quickest way, and it seems like this is the best one. So time to start the vacuum. And so, that's so much for the upper part. You can see it there, crispy clean. Actually, I see something right there. It's alright. That's nothing compared to before. Like, hold on. Should have done this before and showed you that bird. But compared to before, it's clean. Should probably go like a little longer over it, but maybe a little bit more. Yeah, seems like the inside's pretty clean too. Good. Yeah, I'm just going to go one more round over it, and for this one. And yeah, the important part is this one down there, because you can easily forget this part. So, round 2. Okay, guess this should look quite a bit better now. Yeah, it looks better. seems like this is okay. It seems like this is as good as it gets. Like if I'm going over it like from both sides, but yeah, like compared to before, it's perfect. And hey, it's a filter. It always gets dirty, but hey, compared to before, like before, it wasn't even really sucking really good. So side gets a little bit hard. Well, cam. So now to the important part, which you can easily forget. It's not a problem if there's like a little bit dust or something left in there, because hey, you're using it and stuff gets back in and stuff like. Anyways, I'll clean that part down there because Jesus. Oh my god. Man. I literally cleaned that thing 2 weeks ago, so. So, this is how it's looking now. Nice and clean. Took me about, well, the whole process like that, it's like, can't do it like in 2 minutes, but I try to get like the best way, hey. But yeah, there's always a little bit dust, some particles which get stuck, but hey, compared to the other and like before, it's nothing. It's like maybe 1%, but hey, who cares about that? You actually could take it out, wash it through. You just want it easy and simple to maintain. Like the best way, just like that, like the easiest and quickest way. Also, this part, you really should pay attention about parts like this. Because yeah, it always says yeah, the filter, it's that here, that up there, but actually you can forget about down there and don't laugh about me. I actually forgot the part down there. Was like, hey, hold on a second. Notice once. I actually thought that this thing is rather like an exit, like the exit part also for the components in the back there. But hey, mobile AC units are sometimes funny because the air isn't getting out there, it's just from there through the hose and down through the window. And well, first time mistakes. But yeah, going to let off the water here. Yeah, glass only took a little bit longer because hey, gotta keep in mind I have to film everything too, so 5 minutes thing often gets up to like 15 minutes thing. Yeah, 15 minutes and stuff because I camera stuff and oh yep, a little bit water. Oh yeah. Yeah, just be careful that it doesn't over or falls down or something. And don't forget to plug back in. It's rolling forward. Yeah, it's a quick and easy thing. You should, let's say, every time you're vacuum cleaning house or yeah, let's say it like that. Or just check the filter. If it's really dirty, then just do a cleanup like that. I'm usually always doing it like when I vacuum clean my house, like 2.5 weeks. This is how much water that came out. Actually, pretty much nothing because the humidity in my area is really high. This is really nothing. I can say the difference so far about the blowing and stuff is about probably 35% or so. Or maybe even 50. This time that thing was this time that thing really on an extreme level. I wanted to clean it last week, but I was like, you know what, I'm curious, and just let it a few days longer and record it so I can make a video for you for easy guide how to clean that thing. Pretty easy way without stress and stuff. Also, if you're asking why I kind of sound weird and stuff, because it's really hot in here. Well, really wet and hot, and I'm sweating bullets right now. Cartons and trash. So let's see how much blows now. Oh yeah, okay. AC pump aus kicking in. Oh yes. Okay, from the first few seconds I already can say not 35, rather 45% better than before. Yep. Maintenance, guys, maintenance. Maintain the devices, please. Makes a huge difference. Not only that, it's saying still, if you don't maintain it, it will still use the same amount of energy, but the most of that energy okay, actually I don't remember, because I always do the filter cleaning earlier than it says that you should do it. Why? Because you saw it. It still didn't say, yeah, filter, like servicing the filters and stuff, but hey, we saw it, and the before and after is extreme. That's about it. Hope you liked it. If I could help a lot of people, or at least a few people who didn't knew about that. Maintain your mobile air conditioning units, and they blow better because they things aren't like in too big or for too big houses or rooms. So anyways, maintain good, and see you all next time on Random Fixes and Restorations for more content, more videos. And if you don't know yet about why I call it Random Fixes and Restorations, it's not because the videos are just random, like the fixes are random. No, it's not about that. It is just because I make so much different stuff, you know, like from cars to like this. Like maybe I'm going to do a video how you can fix your dishwasher or so in the future. Who knows? Or an air conditioning unit, or a swamp cooler, or I don't know, your TV. Who knows? Well, yeah, car restoration video. So anyways, stay tuned and see you next time. Nice and clean. Sweet.